Hey there, my money-savvy friends. It's your favorite financial enthusiast, Green Waifu, here with some fantastic tips to help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Today, we're going to talk about 8 things you should stop buying if you want to become a millionaire. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Fancy coffee drinks. They can be quite expensive if you buy them every day. For instance, if you spend $5 on a coffee each day, that adds up to $1,825 a year. Instead, consider making your own coffee at home. You can get creative with flavors, try different recipes, and even experiment. Not only will you save a ton of money, but you'll also become your own barista. 2. Eating out at restaurants. Going out to eat can be fun and convenient, but it can also be costly. Let's say you spend $20 on a meal at a restaurant 3 times a week. That's $60 a week or $3,120 a year. By cooking at home more often and meal prepping, you can save a significant amount of money. Plan your meals, make a grocery list, and enjoy homemade dishes that are not only tasty but also easy on the wallet. 3. Impulse buys. We've all been there, tempted by that cute dress on sale or the latest gadget everyone's talking about. These impulse buys can quickly add up and leave you wondering where all your money went. To avoid this, try implementing a 24-hour rule. When you feel the urge to buy something on impulse, wait for 24 hours before making the purchase. This gives you time to think it through and evaluate if it's something you truly need or just a passing desire. You'll be surprised how many things you realize you don't actually need after giving it some thought. 4. Brand name clothing. Designer labels may be trendy, but they often come with a hefty price tag. Instead of splurging on expensive brand name clothing, consider shopping at thrift stores, consignment shops, or checking out sales and clearance racks. You can find stylish and affordable clothing options that fit your unique style while saving a significant amount of money. Plus, you'll stand out from the crowd with your own fashion sense. 5. Subscription services. In today's world, there's a subscription for almost everything. Streaming services, beauty boxes, gym memberships, and more. While these services may seem convenient, they can add up quickly and eat into your budget. Take a moment to review your subscriptions and ask yourself if you're truly getting value from each one. Consider cutting back on the ones you don't use frequently or exploring free alternatives. For example, instead of multiple streaming services, you can choose one or utilize free streaming platforms. 6. Expensive hobbies. Hobbies bring us joy, but some can be quite costly. If you have a hobby that's draining your bank account, it might be time to find a more budget-friendly alternative. For instance, instead of spending a fortune on golfing, you could try hiking, which only requires comfortable shoes and a love for the great outdoors. Or you could explore sports that don't require expensive equipment, like soccer or basketball at a local park. 7. Excessive shopping for things we don't need. It's tempting to buy the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, and unnecessary knickknacks. However, these purchases often end up collecting dust and cluttering our lives. Before buying something, ask yourself if it's something you genuinely need or if it will just sit on a shelf unused. Focus on buying things that add value to your life and align with your long-term goals. For example, instead of buying another gadget, invest in educational books or courses that can help you learn new skills or advance your career. 8. Credit card debt. It's easy to fall into the trap of using credit cards for things we can't afford. The problem is, the interest rates can quickly pile up, making it difficult to dig ourselves out of debt. To avoid this, strive to live within your means and build healthy financial habits. If you do use credit cards, make sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. By practicing responsible credit card usage, you can avoid unnecessary debt and save money in the long run. And there you have it, 8 things to stop buying if you want to become a millionaire. Remember, becoming a millionaire is about making smart financial choices and being mindful of how you spend your money. By cutting back on these expenses, you'll be on your way to saving and investing more, which will ultimately help you achieve your financial goals. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and financial insights. Until next time, take care, stay savvy, and keep building your financial future. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye everyone.